Alright, good morning everyone, and welcome to another episode of Coffee and Code. Just waiting for my coffee to brew, but what we'll do now is quickly create another class. We'll be covering variables today. So we're creating a quick class called variable example, and as you know, it'll create a public class for us with the exact name of the file that we've just created. So now all you need to do is write the main function again, just like we did last time. And again, I prepared all of that for you today. And then we'll be covering um, your variables and your primitive data types as well in Java. So what we can see here is multiple variables here. So the first thing that we'll start with is the int age that we've got on the screen here. So int is your data type. It is also known as an integer. So you would have like a specific number like we have here on the screen, so 25, and that's how you define it, or 15 or whatever, or 20, that would be an integer. And now we'll look at a double. Sorry, double is where you'd have a number that has decimal points. So in this case, we have 5.9. And a char, you can probably guess, is also known as character. So it means that, in a particular string, you might have like a letter, and a letter would be known as a character. And again here, what we'll showcase here is a string for you. So a string is a bunch of characters put together. You can have a mix of numbers and also characters as part of a string as well. But of course you can't have characters inside of an integer or a double. So that's really important to know. What we will do, however, is we've written a quick system out print line just to print all of those values, just so you can see. As you can see in that function that we're calling here, we're just concatenating everything so we can show you what each variable means. But this is a quick highlight of variables inside of Java, just so you understand. And again, things can get a little bit more complex, but these are the main ones that you need to know for now. But yeah, thank you for joining today, and I'll come back tomorrow for another episode.